Hello, how are you? I'm so excited because today I'm actually going to be improvising, and yeah, I'm gonna do new pictures for my Spotify and Apple Music, all that sort of stuff, you know, because I feel like it's been a while. It's been 2 years since I updated anything on my Spotify, and I feel like I just want to update it, kind of prepare myself for new releases and motivate myself to do those releases, write those songs, and just release something new very soon. So it's kind of behind the scenes, guys, how I'm gonna do my thing. Bear in mind, all of this is getting done in my room. I have this, wow, I'm so good at filming. So I've got this backdrop. I've got it ages ago. And then we have obviously the things that you're going to put the backdrop. And really, actually, I'm going to take pictures on my phone. And the reason why I do that, let me explain. I love how pictures turn out when you do it on your iPhone, and I have iPhone 11, and I find that the quality on the images is really good, and I just like the way iPhone represents the pictures. I don't know. Today also was my first day at work. I'm back from furlough. If I have food in my teeth, I just made homemade garlic bread, and honestly it was peng, like peng. And if I look like I'm wearing something scruffy, I actually am wearing something scruffy. It's just my life, really. I just updated my all day long picture. Let me tell you why I've done that. First of all, I feel like when I just made the picture, the art for my single, I had no clue how to use Photoshop or how to make pictures look professional. I thought in my brain that looks professional, but it really didn't. Like, every time I listen to my song, I just think, like, listen, the picture looks good, like cool sunset and stuff, like. But then, you know, the writing, I'll show you in here, the writing on it just doesn't look really professional. I'm gonna be honest with you. So I thought, and legit, I really wish I recorded all my progress and process on how I did this cover. But honestly, I'm telling you, you can do this for free. You can do this at home. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Anyways, I want to show you. Yeah, this is the updated version of my new cover art. This cover art was done on my phone, and I'm not joking. I literally used all apps on my phone to create this. I'm gonna go through some things with you today. I think it's gonna be pretty cool just to show you behind the scenes of creation and progress of whatever I was doing. But it all started with me selecting the pictures that I took over the time, like some beautiful sea, some beautiful sunset, and it's crazy because all these pictures are actually taken on my phone. So, are you excited? Wow. So first of all, this is the first image, as you can see on here, and that was the second version of it, the second option of to what I wanted it to do. So the all day long is there. There was no Jana or anything. I wasn't sure what I'm doing, but I really liked this sort of summer vibe, because the whole point of my song, I was like, to be honest, the sunset was the whole idea before, because of the vlog that I did traveling, my music video. If you haven't seen it, it's on my channel. So I was thinking, you know, this would be really a good idea. It looks beautiful. And I love how this, by the way, this was completely an accident. This bird was just flying when I was taking pictures, so it looks pretty cool. I love this, but I thought this is where I'm gonna go, because I asked about 10 people which one they like more, and more people like this one. So I thought, summer vibe, we're gonna go for this one. Then I realized that it looks really nice, but it looks still DIY-ish. It doesn't look 100% there yet. Like, it's nice, but it's like, you could do better, you know, you could do better. So I used this sea. This is gonna blow your mind. And listen, these are the ideas. So over here, this was another option. I really loved it. Listen, these lips are like honestly amazing. But the problem with this is this neon thing was obviously taken from somewhere else. I did not create it, and I thought in the down the line in future, I do not want any copyright issues with the people that did create a design of this. I love this. Like, I love this. This was first option of it. So you can't see really the writing that well on there. And I thought it's not really as extinguished as here. Extinguished, it's not a word. So then I also tried this. I love this one as well. And I was gonna go for this one because I like this neon vibe. This sort of very like what's on trend right now. I love these colors, and I was gonna go for this one because it does look really cool. But then I had this one, and then I had this one as another option. But here you can see I added my name, and then on here is my name too. But as my final, and I'll explain you why. Because first of all, it's easy to read. I think the previous ones is quite hard to read the name, and I feel like the name is something that a consumer will remember. Also, I liked my name in here. You got a little black thing over here. This is gonna blow your mind. I keep saying it, but it actually is gonna blow your mind. But this is what it was, and this is what I did. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you liked any other ones that I showed you. But yeah, I asked many people, my friends, which one they prefer, and a lot of people said the one that you see as a final result. Plan for now is for me to match this artwork. I put makeup today for work, and that saved me a lot of time now because all I have to do is freshen up, do more intense makeup, and then what I'm thinking is to do white eyeliner, and we're gonna try to do quite pink tones on my eyes. It is quite pink now, but I want to make it more pink, do you know what I mean? Then we're just gonna select some outfits, take some pictures, and that's it really. That's the plan. So this is my backdrop, all down. Beautiful. So this is the situation of the outfit, and pajama bottoms just on that. So I've got white eyeliner here, as you can see, matching with my outfit, and then these earrings and the hair. Like, literally took me probably about 40 minutes just to get it all done. You know when you just put your lipstick on, you just feel like this. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, and this is gonna be the background, and this is where we're gonna take the pictures. Yeah, and I'll show you before and afters, show you the final results, and my new updated Spotify that you guys can check out. So yeah, that was the plan. I'll see you soon. I'll show you what the end result is gonna be. Also, I forgot to say, if you are interested in how I did this look, let me know guys, because I really love reading your comments and everything you've been saying. So your opinion means so much to me. So if you are interested in this makeup look, then let me know and I'll recreate it for my YouTube channel. I'll show you how I did it. Easy peasy, okay? This is the reality. So this is where I'm gonna put my iPhone on here, and yeah, I'm just gonna position it here, kind of maybe see what I'm doing, and it's gonna give me a little bit more idea of how I look, because I'm gonna use my mirror there. Yeah, let's do it. So it's been quite a journey because I've tried to different lighting, different sort of like, this is my lighting. This is all I'm using, and I wanted to create this kind of a like very distorted look. I don't know how to explain it. So you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So this is one of the pictures that I am very happy about, to be honest. So yeah, so there's loads of different ones, and obviously it's all about how I'm gonna edit it. But yeah, this is the lighting, what I thought is good. You can see the lighting here isn't that great. So yeah, I'll probably show you this picture. You can see the shadow, the light is very into my face. You can see, wow, oh my god, shit. So yeah, how long did it take me? Probably took me about 2 hours. The time flew really fast, and I got everything done pretty fast because the outfit are kind of like boom boom boom, just kind of, I don't know, just created in my head, and I've got the shots I want. Just to let you know that this is just to update color scheme on my Spotify, Apple Music. I kind of want to go towards that sort of pink direction, so it was yeah, I'm still figuring out, but I'll show you tomorrow the update on my Spotify and what it looks like, and the pictures that I'm going to use. And also I'll try to show you my edits, how I edit my pictures. Yeah, it's gonna be really cool. Okay guys, I'm super excited because it's time to reveal the final images that I have with all of the editing and photoshopping. Are you ready? So I have so many different options on to what we're doing with this. So we have this sort of a background of the water kind of texture added on. Then we have the sort of the tropical leaf background that I actually really like, and this is one of the, so I've selected a few, I think 3 type of images that I like. I love this texture. However, I am going to be posting a picture that has like a tropical background with it, so I think, I'm not sure, I'm gonna ask which one is better. Just to let you know, this is what these 2 pictures look like now, and this is what it's gonna look like, and this is the new look of my Spotify. So guys, it's live and she's live and my picture's up. Yeah, it's been really fun to do it, really fun to create, and I think that I just want to show all of you out there that it's possible for everyone to just, you know, do a little photo shoot in your house. You don't have to pay a lot of money, you don't have to have a lot of resources, just have whatever you have. And yeah, on a real note guys, I haven't released a song for 2 years, and trust me, every day it's on my mind to release a new song. I have like 10 songs that are produced and ready, but I am not fully there, like, do you know what I mean? I produce and write my songs myself, so I wanted to get to that level where I am a lot more happier. The song you can hear on my Spotify, which is All Day Long, go please just stream it. It's my first song I ever produced, written. I've done all independently, so obviously you probably can hear that I am learning on that song, and I am gonna be very honest with you. When I look back at it, obviously there are things that I could learn from, and it's been 2 years and I'm being in full-time education learning, but this is my final year, and I promise you, and I promise to myself, I will release music. I just need to. I wanted to release music, and I want to just encourage everyone and maybe just motivate you to go and, you know, make those new pictures, make the banners, and just believe in yourself. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and I hope this video will show you that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.